You must have used a makeup brush, but you've never seen it being made. Today, we'll show you the complete process of making a makeup brush. First of all, we take a white stone and cut it in half with a saw. After cutting, the stone becomes 2 pieces. Now we rub them well with the help of a rope and a sandpaper so that they become smooth and there are no cracks left in them. They are then thinned into a round shape. This is the part that will be used as the handle of the brush. When these stone sticks are ready, a small hole is drilled in them. The sticks are then put in water, washed thoroughly, and set aside to dry. Now we will prepare the brush hair. For this, we will put lime powder in a bowl and add a little water to it. Then we will take the goat hair, straighten it evenly with the help of a comb, and tie it with a cloth or thread from the back so that the hair stays in one place. Now, dip the tied part of the hair in lime water. When the lime is well absorbed into the hair, take it out and remove the cloth. After that, put the hair in water and comb it again so that the hair becomes soft and straight. Now, our job is to collect the hairs one by one. We will collect each hair at once. We are collecting each hair one by one, and this is important. Now, one by one, we will make small bundles of hair. Then, with a sharp knife, we will cut the back of them evenly so that the front side remains pointed and rounded, just like a makeup brush. Then we pick up the hair again, put it in water, and comb it so that it becomes smooth and soft again, and then we straighten it. After straightening it, our next task is then these bundles will be rolled by hand into a round shape to create a beautiful brush head. Now these small balls will be placed in wood ash to absorb the moisture. After some time, these balls will be taken out of the ash, tied tightly with thread, and dried in the sun. When they are dry, the thread will be cut from the back. Now glue will be applied to the back of them so that the hairs will be firmly attached, and then a layer of white glue will be applied on it to make the brush stronger. Now we will fit these finished dolls into the previously made stone sticks. Each brush will be prepared in the same way. Now finally, we will dip them in a natural softening solution. For this, we will boil seaweed shells in water to make a thick gel. When this gel is formed, we will dip the bristles of all the brushes in it thoroughly. This will make the brush bristles soft, smooth, and shiny. And so, our natural handmade makeup brush is complete.